In today's video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com, how to access board templates. Let's start by heading to Monday.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if your organization uses more than one. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main navigation on the left. Look for the small plus icon there. This is the Add button, and it's a quick way to create new items or explore what's available to start from. Go ahead and click that. From this menu, choose Template Center. This opens Monday.com's gallery of ready-made boards, workflows, and dashboards. It's designed to save you time by giving you a solid starting point for common processes like project tracking, sales pipelines, marketing campaigns, and more. There's also an alternative way to get to the same place. At the top right of your screen, you'll see a grid icon. Click that, and you'll find Template Center listed there as well. No matter which path you use, the plus icon on the left or the grid icon on the top right, you'll land in the same Template Center. Inside the Template Center, you'll notice categories across the page. For this walkthrough, let's head into project management as an example. This category includes templates that help you plan projects, assign tasks, set timelines, and monitor progress. Selecting a category filters the gallery so you can focus on the most relevant options. Now, pick a template that looks like a good fit and click it to open its details. Here, you can read a short description, see what columns and views are included, and sometimes preview how the board is structured. Take a moment to confirm the template aligns with the way your team works. Choosing a template that matches your process minimizes the changes you'll need to make later. When you're ready, click Use Template. Monday.com will create a new board based on the template and add it to your account. This gives you a fully built layout, columns, groups, and example items, so you can immediately start tailoring it to your workflow. From here, you can rename the board, adjust columns, or clear sample items if you don't need them. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to access the Template Center from the left side plus icon, how to reach it from the top right grid icon, how to browse by category like project management, how to review a template's details, and finally how to apply it by selecting Use Template. With these steps, you can launch new boards quickly and keep your team consistent and organized.